Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can create a 9:16 aspect ratio video using Canva. And this format in particular is popular in platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and of course YouTube Shorts. And this format is unfortunately kind of difficult to get, especially if you are relying on Canva stock library, which you can tell that there are a lot of videos, there are a lot of assets, but unfortunately they are mostly 16:9 or horizontal video. So how do you turn that into 9:16? Well, here's how. Let's try this video that I think this format is running, and there are a lot of big empty black area that we don't need. So 16:9 video is probably going to be the best fit for this video in particular. So I'm going to just get this area and the rest will be removed. However, there is one problem. I'm using the desktop wallpaper template, and this format is going to give me 16:9 video. So first, before you want to do any editing, I highly recommend to select the right format in your Canva document. If you are already using a 9:16 format, then you can skip this process. But if you don't, if you are, let's say, opening or using a, let's say, Facebook post format or a desktop wallpaper format like the one I'm using right now, you can go to resize, and after that you can either select custom size or just select a social media template, and you will see plenty of 9:16 aspect ratio. For example, you can use Instagram Reel, which is actually the opposite of desktop wallpaper, and let's click copy and resize, or you can also just resize this design if you don't want to create a backup copy, which is something that I highly recommend, but in this case I'm going to just go with it. Okay, now Canva is going to convert this document, this 16:9 video into, 16:9 template into 9:16, but the video, the stock video right here, is still at the same format as when it was inserted. Now I'm going to turn it into 9:16. You can double click on it and you can select the aspect ratio that you prefer. Let's select 9:16. Click done, and I'm going to make this video look a lot bigger. Another option is you can also just right click on the video and click set video as background, and it will essentially fill the entire area. When you play the video, this video now will become just 9:16 video, and that is exactly what we want. And of course, when you're done, you can apply some sort of animation settings, features in the video. It's totally up to you. And when you're done with the video editing, click share. You can click download, and you can click the download button as an MP4 video, and you will get a nice 9:16 video that you can post on social media. Oh, by the way, I just reduced the video quality to 720p because I think 1080p is just overkill for social media. But yeah, of course you can use the highest format, or you can even go with 4K if you prefer, but I think this one is good enough. So yeah, the video is now still rendering, but you can tell that from the preview alone, this video is going to be 9:16, and this method can be applied regardless of the template you're using, but of course you need to resize the template first. So yeah, that's basically it. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.